Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Nioh 3 game controller or gamepad not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once you have done this, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once you verify the game files, after that check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, again go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back, you select use default settings and move to the next method. Next method is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working or not. Here you will see an update option available. Click on the update option and after updating the game, check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available. After updating the Windows to the latest version, try to launch it and check. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices and here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on 3 dot icon and click on remove device. Once you have done this, restart your PC. After that, again come back, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, then click on everything else and here you have to add your controller. Once you have done this, now check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to go for big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam and after selecting the game, here you can see big picture mode. Click on it. After this, you have to select your game and try to play it. If the game is opening, what you have to do is click on Steam menu, then click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Once you have done this, now check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste in your browser or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. Now after the website opens, click on download option and after that from here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool and after you have downloaded it, now install it. Once you install it, connect your controller and update it. After that, launch Nioh 3 game and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working in Nioh 3 game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.